Hi folks, just where we went over to that temple just now, on the other side road is this waterfall. I'll show you now. This is the car park area. Peter's gone to buy an ice cream. And that right down the mountain there. Big temple down there. This is the name of the waterfall. Got my ice cream. Peter bought me one. We've got the little stalls here. $15 for a tub of ice cream. Big massive one, $30. All the kids there going down to the waterfall. People buying drink there. Barbecue there. Lady selling stuff there. Polycarp! Polycarp! These steps here, down here, take us to the waterfall just down the bottom there. So look, we're going down right down the bottom. So it's not bad steps going down, not very steep in height of the steps. At the bottom of the steps coming down. I can hear the waterfall down there. See what this sign said for you folks. Well, after you come down them steps there, you've got this like rugged stone area. They're not steps, they're just going all the way down. This is the waterfall that comes all the way down from up the top there. Comes down here. Right down the bottom. We're going down the bottom here in a minute. You see the waterfall through there. Coming down. Still going down, 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 down. All this tree area to walk down through here. Halfway. What about this?
The waterfall, Thao To, is that you want in Thai or in English?
I don't know in English.
The name after the old man, because all this area was thick forest, you know, they don't have car in them day, they only use cart, yeah. And these two young girls say, if you can jump in the waterfall, we will marry you. So they dare him to jump into the waterfall. So as he panicking, get excited, he jumped into the waterfall. You know, like he got a knife like mine, carry knife on the side. When he fall in, and he go quite far away down with the waterfall, and they thought he was dead, but he's not. So he managed to come back to the top floor again. Then he come to ask the girl. He said, "You two have to marry me now because you promised to." So he ended
What
up
is that? A
with two
story?
wives
Story of the place.
of the name of this.
Oh, that's the name of this place. All about this place.
So they named the waterfall after him.
Oh, so they
How
named the
to-
waterfall after the
old
girls dared the boy to jump in. The boy jumped in, which they didn't think he would, and he came back out the waterfall at the bottom, and he had to marry the, he asked the two girls to marry him. Ah, right. Yeah, that's part of the story. Well, what Peter was saying about that boy jumping in the waterfall and had to marry the two girls, that'd have to be 4 girls asked me to jump in the water and then I can marry the 4 of them. And Peter saying, dream on. Not to ever be worth jumping in just for 2. More the better. Another path that will go up there. This is way down. Another path up there. This takes you to the temple we saw from the main road. And where it said the waterfall sign. Yeah, so as I just said, from the top of the road right up the top there, was looking down to it. This is that white temple.
Oh, this is elephant. It's the old one. You know, remember the one we peeping in the corner over there? This is the old one, the original one. That's new one.
The first one we went to is a new one. Oh look, the bees are made a nest underneath these this wooden statue. This is the waterfall here. Oh. Nice. This is the end of the waterfall. The garden area on the other side here. Done a garden area over here. You can walk right up that way through the woods. Long walks. Come up to this top of the white building here. Looking down to the waterfall. Loads of people got here. Don't know how they brought the car down. What's it coming up with? We'll have to find out. We're down to the bottom of the waterfall now, folks. People in the water there, look. Keep going for down there. They're so hot today, 91 degrees. Sunday afternoon, 2:45 in the afternoon. As I say, it's 91. That dog barking. Hello. What? You in the water? And that goes all the way up to the top of that mountain where we were just now. Beautiful. Cool off in the water if you want. Yeah, it's handy if you can drive down with the vehicle down this road, like everybody else has done. Alright folks, we're going to walk back up to the car now. It's a view up there. Nice little area to sit in the water. People are going to cut through this way. Halfway. Going back up the path. Must have taken them ages to put this stone down. I say that's all hand cut stone. So we're back up to the car park, folks. Heading back towards Udon. Probably stop somewhere else on the way back. We've travelled 2 hours this morning to just past this place. 2 hours ended up further down. Right folks, we're off now. See you on the next video. Hope you're enjoying these videos I'm putting on. Please subscribe to the videos. See you on the next one. See you later on today.